Hi Adam, it's Kevin here. I just wanted to give you an idea of the Morrison Cove area. This is the Chatham Reservoir. This is the lower dam. There's two dams in here, right here and here, um, which could supply microhydro to local areas. Just talked to Arbeck, which is a mill down here, and they may be part of this 300-hectare site. But this is the new connector trail that would lead to the downtown. Notice how much area um, this covers, and it's a lot easier than the this east side of Chatham coming in downtown and here along the railroad tracks. And so this area is all going to be conservation area and trails and walking trails and boardwalk. But the purple is the Morrison Cove connector corridor to the downtown. So I just thought I'd let you know that. I'm sharing this with other folks. Just met with the district. They're really interested in a healing mental health trail too to help out, and met with a few folks as as an experiential learning trail through here. Thanks.